This is Brittany with WTI. Give me a basic tee, but elevate it. So this is my new favorite, basic tee, because it's not basic at all. It's all about the little details. So first of all, the sleeve, if you notice, it's kind of a very unique length, and I love it because you can have it normal, but then it's also super easy to just like give it a little cuff, give it a little attitude. Love that. We've got distressing around the neck, which adds a little extra. And also the bottom is a raw edge. So it does roll just a smidge, not enough to change the length of it, but just enough to give it character. And then a little shot of the back for you as well. And it is the perfect weight as well. It's a good cotton. It's not heavy, but it's also not lightweight to where you have to wear a shirt under it or worry about it being see-through or anything like that. Very comfortable, super easy to just throw on with whatever outfit is getting you out the door, but at the same time feeling extra special. Love this Bandier tee. I'm pretty sure you'll love it too, and that's my point of view.